Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial using the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like, the packaging, and then I'm gonna open it and you're gonna see all these beautiful colors. And this eyeshadow palette only costs $12, which is very affordable. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about makeup, skincare, and more, click the subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any new video. I prime my lids with my NYX Full Coverage Concealer. So first I'm taking the shade Chocolate Diamond from the Morphe 9C Crew Jewel Palette, Chocolate Diamond right here, and it's gonna go on my crease. Then I'm using the shade Rich Girl for my outer corner and for my entire lid. I'm taking my concealer pot again by NYX, and I'm gonna carve my lid from my inner corner of my eye. On top of the concealer that I use in the corner of my eye, I'm going to use this shade that's called Purple Region. It's like a sparkly purple shade, and that's going right on top. Using the same flat eyeshadow brush from Luxie Beauty. And it's going right on top. I'm going back to using the shade Rich Girl again with my blended brush, and this is gonna go to my outer corner again. And then I'm taking my crease brush and I'm going to use Chocolate Diamond for my crease. For my brow bone, I'm using the shade that's called Rose Quartz. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my eyes later. So for primer, I'm gonna use the E.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. This one, I like it, but if you like pump a lot, your face will be so greasy. Especially if you have like oily skin, you don't want that at all. So I just like dime size, like this is all you need. So I did 2 pumps of the dime size and it works well for me. So if you For foundation, I have Sephora Tint Infusion. The shade is Linen. So I went online to Sephora to try to find this, but they discontinue. But they have like another version of this from Sephora, so I'll make sure to leave that in the description box below.
Like, it's the same brand of Sephora brand foundation, but they discontinued the tint infusion, but they have like another kind. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna squeeze this a little bit. Oof, not too much. Just that much. Then I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend it out.
For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. Here, my smile line. Again with beauty blender. To set my concealer, I'm using Coverfx Illuminating Setting Powder. Okay, so to finish my eyes, I'm going to use my Ciate London Fierce Flicks. This is the liquid liner. For mascara, I'm using Pure Cosmetic Fully Charged Mascara. Look how fluffy the brush is. Absolutely love it. For falsies, I'm going to use my Eyeliner volume number 100. This is the multi-pack. Absolutely love it so much. So I'm going to pop these on and I'll be right back. For bronzer, I'm using the Pure Mineral Glow bronzer by Pure Cosmetics. This one I absolutely love, and yes, I do need to buy some new bronzer, so that's gonna be on my list of stuff that I need to buy extra. So For highlighter, I'm using this sample that I got from Urban Decay. It's the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-hour powder highlighter. So this is the sample that I got from Urban Decay. For my lips, I'm taking a matte lip cream by Ulta Beauty. This is by Ulta Beauty. This is their line at Ulta Beauty. The matte lip cream is amazing. I have tried it in the past and I absolutely love it so much. But this shade is fantastic. Love it. So the shade of this is Tender. Absolutely love. I've been using this for years. I haven't been using it on camera a lot, but absolutely love it. To set my face, I'm using the Smashbox Primer Water. I absolutely love this so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out my recent video, then just click here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, there will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.